Bashi, my God.
Woman abused, the misuse of woman. The tendency is to bring us down, to break our spirits. Thing is, they don't understand. They lack the foreknowledge, never mind respect. They undermine our strength, unaware that we're capable of moving mountains. If we can bear the pain to bring a life into this life, then we can take the pain it brings. See, it's in the mind. Yes, it's not right, but the thing is, we can beat it. We can choose to overcome the impossible, because it's possible. See, it's not about winning or losing. No need, victory is ours. Ladies, I cannot stress enough. It is me who has the power. Okay, yes, maybe we get drawn into things easily, but it's because we see the beauty in everything. We turn a blind eye to the beatings because we're too deserving to be loved. But be cautious. We never lose the power. We have the strength to overpower, turning lemons into lemonade. See, it's in the mind. I know I'm competent. I don't have potential to force this, make it the way I want, but full capacity. I'm a woman. Scientists have taken their time. It's been proven. I may be disrespected, hurt, even dead, but living. But women, they never give up. The tendency is to bring us down, to break our spirits. Thing is, they don't understand. They lack the foreknowledge, never mind respect. They undermine our strength, unaware that we're capable of moving mountains. The misuse of woman, woman abused.